Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I turned this 613 wig into an icy bluish type of color. I got it in Body Wave and it was 24 inches. So yeah, today you're just going to need some boiling hot water. Make sure you let it cool down a little bit so you don't burn your hands. And the dye I used 2 titanium, 1 powder blue, and 1 luxe blue. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I used the whole bottle of each of them except for the powder blue at first. And you just mix that into the bowl. Make sure everything's nice and spread out into the bowl. So then I took the blonde wig and I just submerged it into the water. You can see that I tried to dip the hair in at first, but I was just like, no, because I remember the first time I dyed a wig using watercolor, the roots wasn't really picking up the color as much as the tips were. So that's kind of what ended up happening, and you guys are going to see that later on in the video. But yeah. Okay, so this is the part where I added the powder blue, and that was because I started to realize that the pigment of the water was, starting to go away from dipping like the middle and the ends of the hair. So I added the last bottle of the powder blue, and now I'm just going to dip the roots of the hair only so that it can concentrate on the strands up there, because I feel like at this point the wig is already dyed. I just need to focus on the roots now. Yeah, and make sure you spread the wig out so that, each strand is getting the color in it, because if you don't, you're going to still see some blonde strands like how I had. All right. I let the wig submerge in the water for about 10 more minutes, and then this is how it looked when I took it out. Okay guys, so I washed the wig with some blue shampoo. I know a lot of people use purple shampoo, which I had, but I feel like I didn't want to, disrupt the balance of the color. Like, I don't know, I didn't want the color to clash. So after that, you could use whatever conditioner you feel. And I didn't do any styling to this hair. I literally just let it air dry and then installed it. So this is how it turned out. I hope you guys like it. If you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up and comment and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you guys want me to do.